Hi, my name is Justin Radner, and today I'm going to be making a cast iron pizza. So step number one is going to be to preheat the oven to 500 degrees and put the cast iron skillet right in the oven. As you can see, the oven is preheating to 500 degrees, and here we have the cast iron skillet. This thing is pretty heavy. I'm just going to toss it right in. While the oven's preheating, as you can see, I've chopped up some onion here. And we've got some fresh bell peppers as well. So I'm gonna cook these up and it's gonna be awesome in a few. All right, so the oven is at 500 degrees. So I'm gonna take the skillet out of the oven and we're gonna get started. Ooh, so this thing is nice and hot. Close the oven. And now's the time for the fun part. Next, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil just on the skillet here. Just a couple tablespoons. And here we have our dough. So now we have the fun part. So just do your best to really stretch this out and get it to about 10 to 12 inches maybe. And we're just going to line the pan with this dough once I get it out here. So this is an art, and I am not skilled in this art yet, but let's see what happens here. Let's try not to get too many holes in here. Geez, there's one. But just stretch it out. And it's going to be looking nice and large in a couple seconds here. All right, so this is just about going to do it. Here we go. So just line the dough to the outskirts of the pan here. And I'll show you guys what this looks like. And by the way, I got all of this stuff at Trader Joe's. So this is the dough I bought. This is the sauce. And this is the cheese. So here you can see we have this dough. And I've just been pushing it with my fingers right to the edges here. And if you have a couple holes, you can just try and put a little bit of dough on top of it and try and cover it up. But yeah, this is looking pretty good so far. So here we go. I'm about to add the sauce. So I wish you guys could have seen how much of a struggle I just had opening this can of tomato sauce, or this jar of tomato sauce. But it's open now, and now I'm about to add the sauce. So real quick, just add a little bit on there. And I don't like too much sauce, so I think that's gonna do it. Just spread it out with a spoon. There we go. Might add a little bit more. I've got a cheese. It's a decent amount here. Just spread it out. Everybody likes cheese, so. And now we've got these onions and peppers that I cooked up. So just add these on here, or a few of them. Maybe not too much, but. All right, so now I'm just gonna toss this in the oven. And put it on for about 10 minutes. And in 10 minutes, we're gonna see how it looks, and I think you guys are gonna be surprised. So I just put it in the oven, and I'm gonna leave it in there for about 10 minutes. The recipe I found online was for 10 to 12 minutes, but I'm just gonna look at 10 and see how it looks. If I like what I see, I'll take it out. If not, leave it on for a couple more minutes. All right, so the oven just hit 10 minutes, and here's the pizza. So it's looking good, but it's looking a little bit undercooked. I'm definitely gonna put it on for another couple minutes here. So here's the end result after about 13 minutes. And as you can see, it's looking pretty good. Not too bad for a homemade pizza.